Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to back up Messenger chat. All right, it is really easy to do. Just go ahead and fire up your Messenger. And once you're in here, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines. All right, and once done, locate the gear icon right here at the top. Tap on it. And once you're in here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the section Preferences. All right, in here, you're going to want to tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. And as you can see here, there's an option called End-to-End Encrypted Chats under Security tab. All right, just go ahead and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. In here, just tap on Message Storage. Tap on it. All right, as you can see here, mine, the last backup of my chat is February 20, and the backup was turned on March 24. Now, in order to turn on backups, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the section right here, turn a secure storage. All right, you can turn this on or off. If yours asks to turn on right here, just go ahead and tap on it. All right, as you can see, I'm going to tap on turn off, and the new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up. That's why I won't hit on continue. All right, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts and you'd be good to go. It will ask you to create a PIN. All right, now if you ever wanted to reset your PIN, just go ahead and go to this section right here, reset PIN, and it will ask you for your current PIN, and the next page will ask you for your new PIN, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.